As you can see, we're in a forest reserve, and the environmental requirements are more critical than ever. The hotel has no access to the electrical network, and as a consequence, it needs to generate its energy somehow. In this regard, the project we have jointly developed covers all energy requirements for the hotel, both electrical and thermal, with a non-polluting energy. Neither in terms of emissions, you'll see there's no smoke, nor any particles or issues of noise pollution. And therefore, it is almost innocuous in a natural environment such as this one. For this hotel, we have designed a project with 4 microturbines. These 4 units generate a total of 200 usable kilowatts, and that correlates to double the thermal energy, meaning 400 thermal kilowatts are generated. Cogeneration is produced from the input of LPG through the microturbines, which then generate electricity. The heat from that process is then used for the generation of thermal energy.
The 4 microturbines operate alternately for, on average, 3,000 hours each.
We have an operational time or availability of about 99.5%. Since the project started in May, it has worked continually, meaning these microturbines have been operational 100% of the time required. Because we have 4 units, they have the capability of being self-reliant. So if one has to be stopped for maintenance or reprogramming, the other 3 back it up or support it. In this regard, they manage themselves and support each other.
This project meets all of the electrical power needs of the hotel. In economic terms, it's efficient because the system works in a way that it links electricity to the building, and in turn, the heating and hot water for the same building. Based on your consumption of electrical power, you produce all of the heating and hot water needed for the rooms and people using that electricity. We measure it in terms of results. It is our guests who actually penalize us or reward us when we do things well. Our experience since we have been in operation, which has already been 2-3 months, makes us happy with the results. The clients realize that it's efficient, that it works well, and that working with microturbines has actually helped us to make the hotel more comfortable. And in the end, that's what we are aiming for from the start, that people felt comfortable inside the hotel. And that has been achieved.